Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action where we have been trading very significantly in this parallel channel towards the downside, the top side, providing resistance along the way down here, and as well the lower side providing several times very strong support. So this looks very interesting, and this looks like we can be determining, of course, on whether Bitcoin is still bullish if we're trading in it, or whether Bitcoin is still bearish if we're going to see another rejection. So if this sounds interesting for you, if you want to be learning a little bit more about the upcoming days, what Bitcoin is most likely going to do here, make sure to already smash up these likes here. And with this out of the way here, let me go right away into the video, and let me start off discussing this 4-hourly chart, and in a second I'm going to go over all the different time frames as well here. So yeah, Bitcoin has been starting to create a downward slope resistance line on the top side. Bitcoin has been starting to create an upward, downward sloping supportive line as well here, resulting in, of course, this parallel channel here. And this parallel channel looks to be showing us a lot of significance, like you can see over here once again here. But for me, it will be very important to see the top side getting broken here, because as long as we're still setting lower highs every single time here, and as long as we're still getting rejected by this resistance line, I will not be that bullish currently, because I do want to be seeing these levels getting broken here, because as long as we're trading in this channel, we are basically in a downtrend. And as soon as we can be breaking out, guys, I do want to be seeing a 4-hourly candle above it. And as soon as we're going to close this 4-hourly candle above it, we could be looking for a retest of this previous level of resistance, but then we'll be flipping into support. And that will be your accumulation zone for a potential long position here. So yeah, it looks quite interesting. Like a very good setup here, but yeah, still, I mean, I'm not saying that we're necessarily going to break out through the top side, because yeah, we are trading against critical resistance, but if we're going to see so, that will be my approach over there. So let me as well right away enable the EMA ribbon here to right away determine some other things here as well. And let me enable the MACD as well in a second. So you can see I've been talking about the EMA ribbon several times already on the channel, and I've been saying every single time here, the EMA ribbon is of course the level that is of course determining the trend, whether we're in a trend or in downtrend. And currently you can already see it. You don't have to be a professional to see this. You can see clearly over here the EMA ribbon is providing us resistance along the way down here, and we're once again having a retest of it. So this is a bullish or bearish signal that we're right now retesting it. There are two approaches there are two ways how you can be approaching it. Of course, first of all, it's bullish, because when are we going to break it anyway? So and as well, the second approach here is bearish, because we have been getting rejected several times on this level. So is this a very good time to accumulate right now? I will be staying on the sidelines still. We're going to see this confirmation of this parallel channel, because that will be just giving me some more confirmations. Okay, this is a very good time to accumulate, and okay, this is a time to maybe open my position over here. So that is the reason why I do want to be taking it a little bit more careful at the exact moment of recording. So as well, if we're looking to the MACD, we're not seeing any MACD divergence. So yeah, we are currently, of course, bouncing back up here. It could be taking a little bit longer here, since we're right now flipping into the green. We could be looking for higher prices, but I mean, no, I'm not seeing a MACD divergence. No, I'm not seeing a bullish or bearish divergence right now playing out on the Bitcoin price action, where we are about to create a bearish divergence, to be very honest, since we are almost creating a higher high here on the RSI and a lower high on the price action. So that could be still resulting in a bearish divergence, to be very honest. If we're going to see the Bitcoin price action increased a little bit further, we're going to still set a lower high than the previous high. We're going to set a higher high on the RSI, what could be resulting in a bearish divergence once again here, resulting to push maybe price once again a little bit lower. So yeah, I mean, I do want to be raising the awareness that you don't want to be overexcited with your trades. I mean, if you're a spot trader just like me as well, you can be doing the both things here. You could be, first of all, accumulate your positions for longer term, because buying Bitcoin right to 31k is for sure not a bad buying opportunity. That's the thing that I want to be clarifying up here. But for all the traders out there, I should be taking a little bit of a breather for a second. So as well, let me go in this different parallel channel, because let me go a little bit further into the 4-hourly candles, because yeah, if we're zooming out ever so slightly here on the 4-hourly candles, you can see as well over here, this is also a very interesting channel that we are looking at. So once again, we know the significance of this channel. We're seeing several touch points. Yeah, we have been seeing a breakdown yesterday, and since seeing the breakdown, of course, it got a lot of people warned. A lot of people were feeling gutted. Well, a lot of people thought, okay, this is the end for Bitcoin right now. But I told everyone yesterday in the update video, okay, we are currently trading on very key levels of horizontal support on the daily candles, but could be leaning, of course, towards a move towards the upside, and together we could still see maybe a potential re-entry here of the parallel channel. And if we're going to see so, we could be looking maybe to see the top side getting retested once again here. So Right now we're going to close the 4-hourly candle in exactly 52 minutes. Of course, the thing that I don't want to be seeing here is that Bitcoin is going to decrease another $400, and if we're going to if Bitcoin is really going to decrease another $400, we're going to go back towards our resistance target. So if Bitcoin can be closing this 4-hourly candle in this parallel channel, we are confirming a break a re-entry of the parallel channel, as well confirming a fake out on the lower side. That could be resulting in, of course, the Bitcoin price action to potentially move back towards the 33 towards the 33k approximately. So that is looking quite good and quite good, to be very honest. So looking forward towards that one, but once again saying this, first wait for the 4-hourly close, because as long as we're not seeing the 4-hourly close inside of this channel, I'm not seeing a confirmation yet here. So looking forward towards that one already. And let me as well go a little bit into the daily candles before going back into the 1-hourly candles, because I will be discussing the imminent short term in a second here, because yeah, right now, Bitcoin on daily candles. We have been talking about it yesterday. We've been warning every single one of you guys about it yesterday. We were talking about, okay, Bitcoin is currently creating a downward sloping resistance line on the top side, downward sloping support line, resulting in a parallel channel. And this parallel channel is a pretty bullish bias pattern. Together with the horizontal line of support, what we have been, of course, looking as well at in January 2021 here. Right now, approaching this level once again as very strong support, and this level is just giving us a lot of significance once again here. And you can see we bounce from this level very beautifully. It's almost perfectly touched there, of course. And the 30k range is still providing us massive amounts of support, and a lot of buyers are willing to step into the market on this range here, what is of course also very likely to expect here. So right now, of course, the most bullish thing that can be playing out here is a breakthrough of this resist line here on the daily candles. Let's see how that will be reacting, of course, because we're going to see a breakthrough of this resistance line here on the top side. This will be resulting in a breakout of the falling wedge here, what could be leading for Bitcoin to maybe surge back towards the 40.5k here, what could be of course quite amazing, since that can be signifying huge amounts of gains to be made here. So looking forward towards the round one already. But let me go a little bit more further into the 1-hourly candles, because yes, I've been as well discussing several times here, of course, this falling wedge on the 1-hourly candles. We have been as well re-entering this one, because I mean, yeah, you can see over here we're having these lower side touch points here several times. You can see here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 touch points over here, 8 touch points on the lower side, and I can't wait to see what we're going to have here, because 8 touch points on the lower side is just giving you a very significant sign. Okay, this level of support is a level that you have to be taking seriously. And right now, yeah, we were seeing a re-entry, of course, already, and this could be resulting in, of course, Bitcoin once again finding support on it if we're going to retrace towards this level. So yeah, we are clearing some very critical levels of resistance, and we can be really using it in a very good way here to find some support on it right now as well. EMA ribbon, we cleared it on the 1-hourly. This one is also almost crossing bullish once again here, what could be helping us as well if we are going to retest it, and we can be potentially tested as support. So yeah, looks quite good here as well. The top side of resistance is the level to watch right now here, because this is a level that we have not been breaking through yet here. You can see here several touch points once again on the top side, and we're about to have another one. So let's see if we can still see a breakout through the top side of resistance, and this could be for sure leading towards maybe higher price targets getting reached here. So yeah, these are the main things that I'm looking out for Bitcoin right now here. Personally, I will be really looking forward towards to see where Bitcoin is going towards on this 4-hourly parallel channel, since this is the current clear trend that we are in here. We're clearly in a downtrend. Can we be breaking the top side of resistance? That will be signifying a trend reversal for sure. So I can't wait to see where this will be ending, of course. So guys, this was already it for today's video. Make sure to smash up these likes here, and if you haven't already, make sure to do so right now here, because we're going to go for the 250 likes here, and it would be very amazing if you watch till the end of the video. Make sure to say 1, 2, 3 in the chat here if you watch till this last piece of the video, because then you're a true OG here. So guys, thank you so much for watching once again here. Don't forget to smash up that like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.